Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to make a main menu in Roblox Studio. So go ahead and open your Roblox Studio and you will be selecting one of your games or experiences. After selecting it, you can go over to the right side because we want to add a screen GUI. Right here in the Explorer window on the right, we're going to look for Starter GUI, and with the Starter GUI we're going to click on the plus icon there and insert a screen GUI. Then we're going to rename the screen GUI to Main Menu GUI. Make sure to write it exactly as it is because it is case sensitive. Then next you're going to insert a frame. In order to insert a frame, you're going to go over to your main menu GUI, click on the plus icon there and add a frame. When you do that, you can rename the frame to main menu frame. Then for the main menu frame, in the properties window, you're going to find the size property for the main menu frame. So we've selected main menu frame and we're looking for the size under properties. So scroll down to look for size. It might be 0, 0, 100, so you're going to change it to 10 with a comma separating them and a curly brackets. So you just need to change the numbers as you can see from the screen. The purpose of this is to make sure that the main menu covers the whole screen. As you can see, we changed the background color of this main menu to orange. In order to do that, you're going to come over to background color 3, click on it and change the color as you wish. As you can see, we have another color, but right now we have just that. Then after changing the background color to your desired look, we're going to now insert text buttons. Now we have these 3 text buttons here, and in order to do these, you just need to come over to your menu mainframe. So here in your main menu frame, you can see our text buttons here, and in order to add them, you can click on the plus icon here and click on text button and make sure to duplicate them into 3. Then rename them to quit button, options button, and play button. Now when you insert these 3 buttons here, you're going to have to position them to a place where you prefer. So they might be located here. You're going to bring them down here and position them as you wish. Then when you've placed them all in the right position according to your preference, you can select them all. In order to do this, you can hold on Shift and click on all of them. And then we're going to customize these buttons. So one of the things we want to do for all of them is change the font and the text scale. So we're going to scroll down. So here we have text scaled, and we're going to make sure that it is all selected. If it's unselected, it's going to look really small. And if it's like this, selected, it looks bigger. And then you can change the font face. We have the luckiest guy, and this is how it looks like. You could decide to make the style bolder, but we're going to leave it as is. You could decide to change the background color, the text color, any other thing you want to do according to your liking. All of these can be done here in the properties section. Then the next thing you'll need to do is to select them one by one. Press on the plus icon for the quit button and add a local script. Do the same for the options button, add a local script. And the play button, click on the plus icon there to add a local script. At the end, you're going to have something like this. And now would be the time to add a script for each of these buttons. So when you click on the play button, you're going to have this script, and all of this script, both for the play, the options, and the quit button, we will be placing the local script respectively in the description of this video. So you have the local script for the play button right here. You also have the local script for the options button and the local script for the quit button right here. Do make sure to delete any text that is written in the code window before pasting your new code. And now with all of the steps followed, you can click on play to try it out. And as you can see, we have our play button, the options button, and the quit button. When you click on play or options or quit, all of these are functional. If you click on play, now you can see your character is ready to play. Great. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.